Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing to my week one unboxing for, well, spring-summer 2023 basically. We've got one item that's sitting behind me. This arrived yesterday, actually, I'm gonna be honest, but it arrived a little bit later, so I just didn't really want to record without any decent lighting. So yeah, regardless, we're just going to get straight into this, and yeah, I'm obviously going to be trying it on, so I hope it fits. People said things are arriving and fitting oversized, so yeah, but as per norm, let me know down below whether or not your order arrived and whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling whatever you picked up. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's just get into this. It's simple as that. So yeah, let's go. Please fit. Okay, so obviously it's about as boring as it gets, I believe, in the end. So yeah, let's just unbox it. Basically, that's it. Yeah. Okay, so plain and simple. Fortunately with these we should just be able to tear it, so I don't have any need for scissors or anything. Now I did see a lot of people say that the khaki colourway was a lot better in hand, in person, you know, whatever else you want to say for it, which is one of those things. We do have a sticker pack and two of the same. Is it really? Genuinely? Look. 2 red box logo stickers. My god, sticker packs have gone downhill. Yeah, that's it. Okay, doesn't matter. The thing that we're actually after is this. I got arguably the worst sticker as well, so I'll just go like that so that you can at least see it, but yeah, yikes. Okay, so yeah, I can understand why people said that khaki stands out a bit more, or khaki. Is that wonky or is that me? That definitely looks slanted. I'm getting Tiffany box logo flashbacks here. But just to take a look at it, obviously, within the packaging, because I'm obviously going to be putting it on. You can see that, can't you? Please say that someone can see that. That is not a straight line. That is like a line. And then just on the bag, you've just got the simple price tag type thing, or label, I guess, for the bag. And yeah, size small, so I don't know how I'm meant to do this, or I'm meant to do like that cringy transition. I used to do that all the time. It sometimes works, but you have to be in the exact same position, everything perfectly right. So we can see, or I can do like that, and instead I'll be catching this. Maybe, probably not. I'm just gonna get up and sit back down. Okay, so yeah, it fits, yeah, I'll cut into just showing the length and things in a second, or stand up and show the length and things that I'm on about, but yeah. Jesus, really supreme. Have we reached this point where a small is a medium, if not larger than that? Because I typically, most of my shirts that I wear, like the line that I normally stick to is about here. So most of them are about here. Typically they'll sit. Sometimes a bit longer, which I do like a bit more, because at the back I feel like you need a bit longer. It's just how I feel, but this is genuinely at that point. This is a small. I can't believe that it genuinely fits. How does the colour look, or how does it stand out? I don't know about that. I don't think it stands out the most. I'll be perfectly honest, but yeah. It's not bad, it's not bad. So this is how small fits for this season so far, for spring, summer. I would say it's more so a medium, maybe just above a medium. So keep in mind, if you are going to be buying your size for this season, this is how small fits on me, and I wear mediums everywhere. So I just got a massive chill. But yeah, I Adidas or Adidas, Nike, Uniqlo, North Face, anywhere, H&M, like anything, genuinely. ASOS, or yeah, like it's a medium regardless, like no matter where I go. So the fact that this is a small, and it genuinely, there's nothing like, there's no issue with it. I'm baffled by that. So yeah, regardless, that is going to cover this video. So let me know down below whether you pick something up for the personal and how it fits you. Is it wonky? Let me know. I'm going to find out when I'm editing this, but it seems like it. But anyway, yeah, that is going to cover it from me. So thank you for watching. I hope that people's orders arrive if they haven't yet. Obviously, there's no Supreme this week. Just no, nothing. It's next week. So yeah, also interesting thing, I'll throw up a screenshot from their wait list, because it's a little bit confusing if that's week 2. Week 2 is strictly, or normally, Nike. So yeah, but anyway, that's going to cover this video, so thank you for watching. I've been rambling on, but yeah, I hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.